What's up, peoples? What's up, YouTube fam? Today we're doing a ride, one of these COVID caravan drive-by things for Veronica. It's gonna be fun. Let's do it. Oh, Gio lost his key. He's trying to start the shit up with a code.
Me cayó la llave de camino aquí.
No joda.
En el highway.
No lo puedes arrancar.
No, yo tengo el código, pero que la alarma se activa. Y hay que esperar a que la alarma se vaya para poderla hacerlo.
So Harleys have these things, so when you don't have the key, you can start them with a code, but you gotta, the alarm's gotta stop.
Ah. Insane.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Si quieres, vayan ustedes, textéame.
I'll come right back and get you. It's right here.
Go ahead. I don't
All
want
right.
to hold you up. Just
All right.
text me where you guys gonna end up.
Got it. All right, let's do this. All right, let's do this. So, for, you know, the big birthday for girls is 16, right? Well, not in Latin culture. In Latin culture, we do the Quinceañera, 15. So, yep, Veronica, I wish I could have brought more bikes out, but we had short notice. But I love you, and this one is going out to you, my love. Come on, Light. We have like 15 cars waiting on us. Come on, Light. And another light, of course. These lights, man. Yep. Never fails. So I'm interested to know what everybody thinks of this new COVID tradition where you drive by and celebrate stuff. I think it's kind of cool. We're gonna go ahead and get in front of everybody. Here we go. Now we gotta coordinate with these cagers. Alright, here we go. I get to lead the pack. That's awesome. How many cars are there? Here, let's go back over there and rev the engines like while they drive past them. Some birthday burnouts. Happy birthday, my love. Mwah. Say hi to the people.
Hi.
It's her birthday.
Oh,
what's up? It's her birthday. Hey, can you text Gio the address? How's my tire looking after those burnouts? Looks alright. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Vero. Y'all weren't ready for my singing, were you? To you. To you. Dude, I burned the hell out of my leg doing that burnout.
Did you?
I touched right here, the exhaust, it fucking got me.
Toma, dale, aprovecha, aprovecha.
Gio.
Aprovecha, dale.
That's okay, I'll take it.
De nada.
Cupcake.
Thank you, brother.
There you go. Gracias, linda. I'm gonna have my delicious cupcake. Hey, they made it! Don't turn it off.
No?
I'm just saying, you're gonna have to turn it back on. Oh, you're good, you're good. Oh, that's good. Todo el mundo está Vero.
Hola.
La cumpleañera.
Ay, felicidades. Thank you. Gracias.
You like the bikes?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
We're gonna go on a ride when we do the Wynwood thing, right?
Mhm.
All right. Let me get it right there. Bam. Dad brought out the classic Caddy. Look at this fucking beauty. Woo, woo-wee. You going on the Caddy?
Yes.
Nice.
I'm gonna watch
Wait,
this
what's going
and
on
I'm
here?
gonna cringe really bad.
Yeah, you are.
I don't wanna watch the video.
Oh, you're gonna watch it.
Oh no.
You're all gonna watch it. I'm gonna make you all watch it.
I look hardcore. I'm gonna watch.
Yeah, we're gonna go on a ride with the Caddy. It's like a little parade of her own. This is fun. Look how low that thing is to the ground. God, this car is just gorgeous. You know, this may not be much of a ride and whatever, but when you get to make somebody that you love, you get to make their day, it's really what it's all about. She loves motorcycles, she loves classic cars because of her father. Look at the car he's got. And, you know, it's a lot of fun. And Vero, I love you, we love you. Happy 15th birthday. Sorry about COVID, you know, can't really apologize for that, but, you know, whatever. So yeah, this COVID has really, you know, lives are changed. And, you know, maybe this is going to become a new tradition now where all these people do the drive-bys. And so be it. That's life now. Life during COVID. Wow, look at that sunset. It's gorgeous. Thank you for indulging. By the way, Vero, she watches every single one of the videos. Thank you for indulging, Vero. We love you. This was a fun little video. Look forward to making the one with you about the... We're going to do a photo shoot for her down in Wynwood. It's going to be great. And yeah, we love you. Happy 15th birthday, my love. That's it. Ride safe.